Hello students, welcome to this video. In today's lesson I will be talking to you about demonstrative pronouns. As you can see, I have the definition here. A demonstrative pronoun or demonstrative pronouns point out specific nouns and tell you the physical distance. I will be explaining this to you a little bit slower once I get to these examples. The first one says, this is my book. The demonstrative pronoun is this one here. This pronoun lets you know two things. That it is one noun we are talking about, and that it is near. So this demonstrative pronoun lets you know about quantity. It points out a specific pronoun, and it lets you know that it is near. The next one says, these are my pens. This demonstrative pronoun lets you know that you are talking about more than one object. And that it is near or far. Near. Relatively near. So you know that it is a plural noun you are talking about, and you know that it is near. These are my pens. Alright? The next one says, that is my husband. Okay, that is a demonstrative adjective that tells you that the noun is far and that it is singular. And it also tells you, well, it also points out a specific noun. And this last one says, those kids are in big trouble. Those lets you know two things. It is a demonstrative adjective that shows you that the noun is singular, or you are talking about more than one thing. I mean plural. I don't want to ruin this video for you. Okay, plural. Those kids are in big trouble. So this demonstrative pronoun lets you know that the noun is both plural and far. And it is also talking about a specific noun. So, well, to summarize, this is for singular and near objects or nouns. These is for plural and near nouns. That is for far and singular nouns. And those for plural and far nouns. For example, this is a marker. It is near from me. If I say that is a whiteboard, it would be far away from me. Alright? If I say these are my markers, they are near to me and they are plural. If I say those are my markers, then it's because they are far. Alright, so demonstrative pronouns let you know about distance, about singular or plural quantity, and they also point out a specific noun. Next, I will move on to some practice exercises so that you can obviously practice with me. Alright, now you are going to help me fill in the blanks with the correct demonstrative pronoun. Remember that demonstrative pronouns point out specific nouns and also tell you about distance and quantity. Alright, the first one is, blank is Thomas's friend James. And the description here says it is near and it is singular. So which of the demonstrative pronouns are we going to use? This, that, these, or those? If it's singular and it is near, we are supposed to use this demonstrative pronoun. This, get it? Okay? The next one says, blank is not him. Far and singular. When we are talking about a singular or a single noun that is relatively far away from us, we are supposed to use the demonstrative pronoun that. That is not him. Right? The next one says, blank are not yours. Far and plural. Alright, so we are talking about a noun that is both plural and far away from you. So we are going to use a demonstrative pronoun, these. Not really, right? Those. Those is the one we are going to use. Why? Because these is for singular nouns. Not really. These is for plural nouns that are near to you. I'm sorry. And the last one says, these cannot be real. These cannot be real. Remember, these for near plural nouns. Those for far and plural nouns. That for far and singular nouns. This for near and single nouns. So, now that you know how to use these demonstrative pronouns, you probably mastered this topic. So, next I will leave you some homework so that you can practice a little bit more. For homework, you are going to write 4 sentences using demonstrative pronouns. Remember that this and that are for singular nouns. The demonstrative pronoun this is for singular nouns that are near, and the demonstrative pronoun that is for singular nouns that are far. And these is a demonstrative pronoun that is for plural nouns, and those is a demonstrative pronoun used for nouns that are far. Well, thank you so much for watching this video. Please leave your homework in the comment section below, and if you have a workbook, do your homework in your workbook too. I'll see you in my next video, and I hope this video was of help. Would you like to watch my next video? Click on the television to the right. To you about reciprocal pronouns. Reciprocal pronouns, as I wrote here, specify